Hey guys, it's Harry here from Tentworld Ferntree Gully. Today I am with the Gasmate Turbo 2-burner stove and grill. This stove brings all the convenience of your home cooking out into the outdoors with 2 burners and the grill, allowing you to make a culinary masterpiece. This robust and versatile design makes it easy and useful for whatever the outdoors throws at you. So if I show you a little bit about the stove, here we have our steel finish, and this is also a high temperature powder coat finishing as well, just to help whenever you're cooking. We can see here that we also have our removable trivets, and underneath we have our stainless steel drip tray, which makes it super easy to be able to wipe clean after you're finished cooking. You can see on the stove we do have 2 burners, so these are 25,022 BTU burners and a 3,795 BTU grill as well. I'll give you a little demonstration of how all these look turned on. Lastly, if we head down to the bottom here, you can see our fancy little grill compartment with your little grill tray, so you can grill whatever you want. So when you get your stove, you will take it out of the box and you'll see that it is 47.8 centimeters by 28.5 centimeters by 43.5 centimeters. In addition to that, you are also going to get your hose, which will connect directly to a 3/8 gas bottle, which is any of your smaller blue gas bottles. But then you can also get an adapter to run it to a POL gas bottle, which is what we will currently be using, and that's any of your swap and go gas bottles. So if I now go to turn the stove on, you'll find it is just a twist knob, and the ignition is again another twist knob. So you just twist that and it will light up. You find that there is very easy control on these burners as well. So it has a nice simmer, and you can turn it up to its full 25,000 BTU burner. When it is running at its max, it uses about 538 grams per hour per burner. So welcome back to Harry's cooking show. Today we're going to be cooking on the Gasmate 2-burner stove and grill. We're cooking some snags at the top and then a little grilled cheese toast at the bottom. So when you go to pack away your stove, everything can pack down inside of it. So you'll just have to lift up this handle and pull it out. Store that inside your grill compartment and simply just close it. You'll find that you're going to have 2 latches either side. Thank you so much for watching and listening today. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us, and happy camping.